Alright, hello again everybody and welcome back to my channel. And after a long while I'm back with another video, and I guess I made this video a little while ago, but I lost the actual file, so here I am making it all over again. So yeah, this video is about group policy editor. Now if you have Windows 10 single language, as you can see I do. So this is the insider evaluation copy, which means it is just like, you know, a beta version of the actual version, so pre-release as it's written here. The point is, you do not get the group policy editor in single language mode. That is for Windows 10 Pro, I guess. So that is a useful tool, and I don't see the reason they have locked the single language users out of this. But again, the people who have this are not considered to be pros, so they don't need it anyway. Now if you do need it, let's find out how you can enable it. First off, I'm going to be showing you that I in fact do have the single language edition, as you can see. And second thing is, I'll try to open group policy editor with a run command and later with cmd, and let's see how it goes. So Windows R gpedit.msc, and here you go. So this is okay. I didn't spell it well. Let's have a name here. Okay, so this does not work, and the second option we have is okay, so this is not even recognized as a command anymore. So all you need to do is download this batch file that I have linked in the description, and for God's sake, this is not a mega link this time. This is just a normal Google Drive link, because in one of my videos I had uploaded files to my mega account, and that had some decryption key and stuff. I changed the settings many times, but that didn't seem to work. So here I am uploading to Google Drive again. So bear in mind the links will have ads, so just disable your ad blocker and skip after 5 seconds. So if you want to know what is in the file, just to make sure that this is not something corrupt, you can open it up with any of your text editors, and here you can see the code. The point is, it is only going to install or like grant you the permissions to this GP edit, because it in fact is present in this version of Windows, but it is just locked away for you. So that's how you can see that this file is not malicious. And also, when you need to run it, you need to run it with administration privileges. So make sure your account is an admin, and then right click, run as admin, say yes to the UAC. There you go. Okay, now if you do not run this as admin, it will just give you a bunch of errors, because you know you need administration privileges to get through this. So let it do its thing. I'm not gonna pause the video or anything, I'll just let it run. I'd rather pause the video, it is taking quite a while. So see you guys on the other side. Alright, so we are back, and it took like 3 minutes I guess, and that seemed like a lot, but yeah, so this is the log for now, and press any key to continue. Okay, so yeah, that is kinda done, and I would suggest a restart. Like, that is necessary for such stuff, but if you don't want to, then don't. I am going to try and revoke the permissions again. Okay, so I wrote in gpedit.msc and hit enter, and it didn't give me an error. So here you go, this worked, and without a restart, so you guys can, you know, skip the restart part and head on over to just opening and closing stuff. So yeah, I've given you information. I don't care what you do with this information, just don't screw it up and blame it on me. So yeah, that was a quick disclaimer, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.